Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
A couple of cage-free eggs, an English muffin, some American cheese. This is my take on that fast food McMuffin, but this is a double fried egg bacon muffin. And it's going to be killer diller and easy to make. I'll meet you at the stove. Okay, we got a hot pan. We're going to start off with some butter and get these eggs down. Here's one. Oh, it's perfect. Dos. Alrighty. Alright, we're going to let these go medium, so this will be a couple minutes. Check them every once in a while. A little pepper. That's it. While those are cooking, we'll put that toast down. This one's ready for a flipperoo. So's this one. Oh, beautiful. Let's put that American cheese on each one. Just like that. All right. Now, we'll just put it on low and let it go to medium. I'll meet you at the counter, put this bad boy together. All right, these are just out of the toaster. It is time to assemble this double fried egg bacon muffin. Little butter on one side, that's how you start it. Same thing on the other side. We got the eggs with the cheese. Put one on one side. Here's the other one. Just like that. Oh, I can't wait. This is going to be good. One small crack of salt because there's just a lot of sodium in this. A little more pepper. Now I took the bacon and I broke it in half so that we have bacon galore. Here's the flipperoo. And there that baby is. Now here's the sliceroo. Oh, the yolk just blew up. And there's the reveal. Close-up coming up. Oh, there's the close-up. Double fried egg, bacon muffin. Big bite coming up. One more look before the bite. I think I'm gonna go for this one. First thing you taste is that bacon and that American cheese is so creamy. But the egg is cooked perfectly and the muffin holds it all together. But I want you to subscribe to Live Life 365 at YouTube and tell all your friends if they want to have fun. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
The reverse flip, I tell you, don't go to McDonald's, come here. This is absolutely sweet baboo. I'm gonna back out of here. I'm taking this down. Look how long this is. Look how long it is. Taking it down. It'll match my new weight loss. I've been losing weight. Baba.